Hey guys, good morning and welcome to today's video. Today is just a really quick one. I have a lot going on with the 87 convertible. I'm going to let you know where I'm at, what I'm doing, what you can expect in the near future for videos. So right now, as you can see, I have A-mold wheels on the car. I swapped them out. These wheels were on there when I got it. I think they are hideous. I think these wheels are hideous. So I was going to put them on Craigslist. Just a come and get them for free kind of a thing. So when I'm looking on the back, I'm looking on the back of the wheel, and it says made in Italy. So I have to look it up. Well, the name on the center cap is Fittipaldi. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Fittipaldi. So I Google it, and he's a legendary race car driver. He's had his own line of wheels under his name for decades. These are, looks like this model is called the Interlagos. It looks like these wheels are from the 90s. They are 17 by 8.5. I do not know what the offset is. But at 8.5, they came right out to where my 9.5s are. Which, by the way, they look alright. I went with black wheels. The car is a very dark blue right now. So I don't think the wheels look great with this color, but the car is not staying this color. My plan is flat black or just primer. And I think it's just going to look badass. I'm going to have a hardtop convertible. That's what my project for today is. If you can see, I've already started removing the header molding and the components. I have everything I need. Later today, my new tonneau cover will be coming in. But I have everything I need. Here's my new front brackets. Here's the new trim plate covers. Some other things up here. I have a project going on. This is a air pump delete pulley and my serpentine belt. So I will be doing that project maybe this weekend. I have some miscellaneous stuff, like the car never came with a fuse door box, so I bought that. It's missing the little plastic switch for the seat control. I bought that. These are just door vents. I am missing my vent on the passenger door. The driver's is in. It's cracked. I'll probably replace it. As you can see, the seat is out of the car. The seat is out of the car just to make my convertible top swap a little easier. Here's my old header molding. Here's my new header molding. It needs to accommodate a 96 or 89 through 96, and the difference is these holes. Looks like they're closer together on the later style, further apart on the older style. And that's because the brackets are different. Go back over here. Here's an old bracket. And here's a new bracket. My 87 convertible bracket did not have a hole for mounting the hardtop, which is why you have to swap out brackets for 86 through 88, if you do the conversion, you have to swap out brackets from this style to this style. You also have to swap everything out in the back. You can just replace the latches and the cables. Honestly, it's easier to replace the tonneau cover, and the reason is the cables aren't the same. They don't mount the same. And the brackets actually, 89 through 96 brackets do not fit in this tonneau cover properly. So yeah, that's what I have going on. My garage is an absolute mess right now. One other thing, nobody's commented on this, but look at the rear bumper of my car. It is not period correct. I have a 1987, and this has the domed rear bumper for the later models. So what I did is my 94, poor thing has been outside for a week. So guys, I purchased the period correct rear bumper to put on it. Now this fender, I bought that as well. The fender is in perfect shape. My fender is also in perfect shape, but as far as it's in perfect shape regarding the mounting tabs, but my fender has a damaged piece of molding. It was cheaper. The deal that I got on that particular fender with nice molding was cheaper than I could find just the molding anywhere. So that's what I have going on. There's a lot. I am going to be very busy this weekend. I am not sure about getting to the pump, the air pump removal and serpentine belt. I'm not sure if I'm going to be getting to that this weekend, but I am going to be doing my hardtop swap, and I'm doing that because I need to get my garage cleaned out so I can get both cars back in. Here is, if you can see it, here is, let me get my jacket out of the way. Here is the hardtop. This looks like it's out of a 93 based on the color, but it's in mint condition. This thing is nice. The weather stripping's perfect, the headliner's perfect, the paint's actually good, but I'm doing a color change on the car. So that means I'll be doing a color change on the roof. One thing about this car that's quite sad, and I did mention this in my first video, here's the original color of the car, copper metallic. Only 80 of these cars made with that color in 1987. It was easily the rarest color. And it's a darn shame that they painted over it. Alright guys, that's my video. More to come. Thank you.